Is she okay?
But what if she fell in the water? Okay, guys. Good morning. Audrey.
Where the f is Hallie?
Good morning. Hallie is gone. Left her behind. Dead. Yeah. She's dead. We're not going to talk about her anymore. Yeah, we're going to have a search team. So, this is just how okay. Today, we're going to have breakfast. I don't know what I'm going to eat. I think there's really good cereal options. I don't know. Oh my god. Hallie is in the bathroom! Oh, good morning, beautiful. Ew.
I'm wearing sweats to dinner. I mean,
Are you okay?
to breakfast? What class is this? I mean, oh Lord, Jesus. Oh Lord, save me. Do you want to talk to the vlog?
Oh my god. Oh, with my retainer in. Okay. I don't really know what to say. So, I don't really know how the vlogging stuff works. Should I go on about my life story like Brooklyn? Yeah, it's grade 12. That's kind of whack. I feel like I'm in grade 8. Okay, my teeth are out because I have my retainer off. Brooklyn was right. This is really therapeutic. Yeah. So today we're doing sports day and we're doing Hallie's game and I'm really excited about that. I'm excited. Do you have anything to say about today, Audrey?
No, I want to eat.
And if I mess it up sometimes, nobody's perfect. Okay, vlog. Day 2 of Malibu. Amy Shuchan's game is today with Yep Zero, David, blah, blah. It rained a hell of a lot last night, boys.
Oh, coffee. Hey guys, it's me again. Hey, but you want to help me get the coffee? Star of the show.
Day 2 Malibu.
Missed me.
We were singing and dancing.
Yeah, we're obviously the best.
These other guys suck.
Yeah, I don't know. Do you even go here?
Who are these people? Nobody's perfect. I gotta work it again and again till I get it right. Nobody's perfect. Living, you learn it. And if I mess it up, time for breakfast. Good morning, vlog. I'm here with Ella, baby, something that is her Instagram name. Basically, she's an e-girl, and I kind of hate it. E-girl. And she's the definition of it. You can't even do that.
No, I'm not.
You're the definition of an e-girl, Ella. This is Isaiah. Say hi to my vlog. Aiden Jorson!
You're the definition of a whore.
I know. Frank, say hi to the vlog. The vlog.
What the?
Shoe cam!
I literally never wear bands again in your trash.
Oh my god, I look like a fat pig.
Frank, I saw you outside of school.
Like when?
Playing baseball.
Wait, you saw me play baseball?
You were like, at a baseball field.
I've seen you out of school and I've never worn something like this.
When have you seen me outside of school?
We were in Odyssey.
Yeah, that's because we were on camping.
We were camping and you never wore Vans. Say bye. Bye. Audrey, you want your moment to shine? My heart will go. Shoe cam. How do I do this? Now you have to be in the vlog. Are you having fun? Are you having fun?
Amy, your games are really good.
Vlog. We're playing pool. Michael, do a dance. We just had Amy Chan's sports day. It was good. Went pretty good, I think. It was a little disorganized, but it was. Michael's really good at this. Nikolai, talk to the vlog.
What's up, vlog? How's it going?
I will dance for the camera.
You'll dance?
Yeah.
Shake your touch.
You know it.
Okay, I just have to quickly document. Michael's here to prove that I'm right. Right, Michael? What just happened?
She just hit 3 balls in a row.
And I didn't hit the ball directly. I hit a ball and then it hit the ball and then yeah.
Yeah, and then I hit another ball and then yeah. What?
And she was crying. Don't fight my brother.
Here?
No, at school. That was so funny.
Yeah.
Was that the
Do you have anything you want to say?
No, I think that was the
Phaser sucks.
Frank, you're supposed to.
Mr.
Frank, I've never heard something so mean come out of your mouth before.
Wait, you like Fraser? What? You like this school?
I like being here with you guys.
She doesn't even have ADHD.
Yes, I do.
You do?
He just punched me?
I guess you
He just punched
the
me.
screen, yeah.
Okay.
I think Ava needs one of those cameras like Logan Paul.
Logan Paul. So we just found out for size.
When you
Good
order one
12
of those 12-inch
inches.
subs like the foot long.
Yeah.
Subway.
Hey, can I
You're
have
just like
the
you go to
full-on
Subway and
sandwich?
you're just like,
And Frank like
you're
whips
just
out
like,
his.
yo, you're just
Frank,
like, can you make it
whips
this
out
size?
his dick.
I want a 12-inch like
No,
so I'm
so
like, okay,
Frank
I'll make
put
sure you
the
get the right
bread on
size.
it.
Just like whip it out, like comparing it. Like, no, that's like 13. No, that's 11.
What are we squeezing?
Acquire plenty of females. in
Yo,
that job.
you want mayonnaise?
Say hi to the vlog.
Hey, what's good?
No, seriously, how did you find out? Where's Yabzura? Ew. I hate this conversation. Stop.
Who's Elijah?
This kid I know.
How do you know? Okay, wait. No, time up.
What grade is he first of all? Yo? He's like in grade
Our
9?
grade.
No.
Grade 10?
Our grade.
He's younger than you.
He's our grade.
Really?
Unless he's been lying. Unless he's lying. Younger than you, maybe mean like birthday.
No, I'm like, what grade are you? Like, 9. And that time I was in 10.
Oh shit. You
No, he's in grade 11.
sure about that?
You're fucking with me.
He's probably high.
No, we were at the basketball camp.
When we talked,
Yeah, he's probably high. Yo, can you pass me the ball? And he's like looking around.
No, but dude,
Just trying to get the throw it back game going. The throwback game. On my little folder here.
Callie needs to finish her game.
This is all figured out. We are adding in a dance portion.
What is he?
First person.
What is he judging?
Ready?
Wait, you know what you
so,
could do? They have to go to each station?
Yeah, and then they're gonna go at their last station. Like they're green and purple.
Have it where they still do like their puzzle and stuff, but are you splitting up the pieces?
Can you?
But you could change it to they have to guess the song and then complete like a task. Yeah. So like, oh, someone has to hold a plank for 30 seconds. Yeah. Someone has to do 10 push-ups. Okay, you guys take this.
To my house.
I don't want to change the whole game though.
Hey guys, it's me, the wonderful and gorgeous Brooklyn again. We're doing our game that I've already planned like 3 times with Holly, and you know, now it's finally coming as a whole. We're still not understanding what's happening. The lighting's wonderful in here right now. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a behind the scenes tour. So this is the downstairs of Sequoia. It's nice. This is the hallway. This is the toilet. Waiting for Audrey to get out of it. Here's another whole room. I'm just doing a full circle. To figure out where they can all go and make up a dance, not be seen, and all that stuff.
Where's Charlie?
Oh my gosh, you know what you could do? I don't know. I don't really care. This isn't my game. I mean, I do care. It's just not my game. I have a question though. Question.
I have a question. Guys, I need phones to hook up to these.
Mine's that blue one.
Okay, this is what I'm talking about. Where did Amy just go?
No, but I'm saying.
So like at the end.
Yeah, the dance.
Amy!
This is kind of stressful. We're planning another game randomly. We've really planned every game 2 hours before they all go. Anyway.
There is?
My two. No!
Meeting has commenced. Please turn that off.
Yeah. break
Super
the chair.
unprofessional.
Don't break the chair.
If you're willing,
Don't.
Have the rest of these?
Don't, Michael.
I wasn't going to.
What are you guys gonna do?
Yoga. How many times do I gotta say this?
I wanted to ask Mr. Van Dien.
Hot, sweaty yoga.
Yoga.
With moms that are pregnant.
What are you eating?
Jelly beans.
Dude, those have been on the ground, you dummy dumb. Those were the,
Yeah, those were from the game.
Oh, that's okay.
There's a bag right there.
Put it down.
Isn't Devin Grandma something?
No, very different.
Where's the seal? Yeah, whatever. Do you guys want to go in the vlog?
No.
Hi. I'm in a vlog. Suck it.
I need a small one. Jackson Clufford is making me very uncomfortable.
Whenever I'm sitting beside him, he goes like this.
I know he
Oh my god, I'm sorry.
so uncomfortable. He always kisses me. Ew.
It's falling up.
Hey guys, so Ava just left her. Mine's just coming back. This ruined everything. Anyway, I'm taking over vlogging from her. So this is gonna be my channel now. Not much is changing. The first name is gonna change, so it's gonna be Ella Rose now.
What are you talking about? Your Instagram? Oh, thank the Lord Jesus Christ, because Ella Baby Rose blah 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 is just like the dumbest thing I've ever heard.
I wasn't doing my Instagram. I was, yeah. This is Ella's vlogs now. So signing out now.
And I say, hey, living life, we're renegades. Hey, hey, living life, we're renegades. Renegades, renegades. Yes, I know the song. I said she didn't write it because I knew it. Hold. Okay.
Hey, vlog?
Hi! Hi! Ava now has a video out of her on the toilet. Hey, shut the f***
Hi guys.
I'm doing here. I'm done. I just want to eat and go to bed.
What's for dinner tonight?
Chili. Super dope.
Oh, I hate. Holy fuck!
I knew it's always chili. I never eat chili.
Gross.
You know what I smell like?
The worst thing.
I was about to say.
Oh my gosh, guys.
Oh my god!
Lord. Dinner time.
When the camera's on, Brooklyn's here.
Literally true. I don't think I have a clip where Brooklyn's not saying something in it. Not trying to start beef or anything, but there is a grade 8 stealing stuff from people. This is the behind the scenes of what are these called? Video stars?
They were so popular when I was in the 5th grade.
When we were like younger.
At Fraser in the 5th grade, this was like all the 8th grade girls were doing this. I got it. We're almost done this. We have one more day after this.
The lighting's cute.
One more day after this. No, it's not. It just looks like this in the mirror, and then like you're gonna see this onto the
There.
on the
I
thing.
fixed
It's
it.
gonna be like, oh my god.
Audrey, you're lying. Oh my god, this is so great. I'm gonna kill myself. I'm trying to take a video of myself for the editing thing because I cut in and I'm like, you said that something was gonna be ugly or something. I don't know, but it's not actually ugly. Let's wave. We kind of look like we're in prison right now.
Oh my god, there's a cat! Oh my god, put that on the vlog. You know I'm so allergic to cats. Oh, keep running. That's fine.
Nice butt shots. Oh, look at that.
No, you don't.
No, you don't. You just have a magic internet that lets you see magic things. Hey, vlog.
Yo, Hakan, can I
I'm here with Yabby.
Hakan.
I look really white next to the three of you guys. Like you and me and Daniel, like even Daniel, like I look so white right now.
Kavir still makes you look white.
I know, everyone makes me look
Bro,
white.
Hakan makes you look white.
I know, Hakan, get in the vlog.
Why?
Because I love you. Oh wait, you're not Hakan. Where's Hakan?
Hakan's over there.
Hakan, stick your head right here.
Oh.
Oh!
What's up?
Hi guys, it's Brooklyn again.
We just had dinner.
Oh my god, you're vlogging.
I got an otter
What's up,
podcast.
guys?
I think this is the first year Mr. Norrish hasn't flown away.
Really?
Yeah. We're gonna go to Hallie's game. How was your guys' dinner?
It was actually, I learned that I really like hot sauce because it overpowers the taste of the food. So I'm gonna definitely do it with my mom's cooking.
Is your mom bad cook?
No, but I just don't like it.
Guys, who's excited for the game tonight?
Since it's mine, I have to be excited, so it's gonna be great.
What's up?
Yeah.
I've done pretty great.
Yo, shut up.
Is that what they were doing? Are they praying? Oh shoot. I'm running to my station. Hallie Penis is explaining her game, and I'm going to the upper docks. Right now, very lonely here. Everyone's in Sequoia. It looks really pretty. Look at the seagull. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty here, guys. I actually can't. I wish you guys could be here with me. Partly because I want more people here, but there's a bunch of seals. Holy, there's like 7 seals. I don't know. Look at, do you see the 7 seals? There's like 5 of them. 6 of them? 5 of them. I don't know, but they're cute as frick. Look how pretty it is. Sorry, here's
Hi.
I'm gonna go sit over there. Yeah, vlog, so I'm sitting in my spot now. Upper docks.
So I did grab random candy sitting on a bench in this next clip, and I ate it all. Get over it.
Oh, there's candy. You know they never say take random candy, but I'm eating it. Oh, probably the dumbest thing I've ever done in my life. I'm definitely gonna die of like a cocaine overdose now.
Chewy. Little OOTD. Jeans. Black hoodie. Green camo. I would vlog this, but I need to use my phone as a speaker. Here's my clues. I should probably start to get
Organized. Where are you going? Gabby, where are you going? Where are you going?
I hate Charlie.
Are you partnered with Charlie?
No. He gave me this playlist, and it doesn't have Watch Me Whip. It has the wrong song.
What song does it have?
It has Watch Me, but it sounds like this.
Do you want to take my phone?
But
Does he have
this doesn't have
waterfalls?
waterfall. This one has Party in the USA.
Who is Party in the USA?
Miley.
Where's Miley?
She's over there, but she can't log into Hallie's phone.
So how is she supposed to play it?
It's already on.
Where's Charlie? Where's Charlie?
I don't know.
This is when we need walkie-talkies.
Next year,
You can bring them.
Charlie.
I'm not doing Malibu.
What?
I'm not doing Malibu.
Charlie?
I'm planning on Malibu.
All? I'm gonna help you.
You can sit there. I'm planning on.
Yeah. I said I was gonna help you.
Okay.
Which is exactly what I did to Amy.
No, like I'm serious.
You're gonna plan all of Malibu.
Amy can help, but
What?
I want to be the boss. I'm
Yeah.
vlogging.
What?
I'm vlogging.
I could tell.
I would go. People are starting. I gotta go. Okay, we'll scratch that. No one's here. So sad. Whatever. Oh, never mind. Nicholas Branco's here. I gotta go. Purple Pod decked out. Good job, guys. I'm very proud of you. Daniel was really into it. You guys could do a little bit better on singing all together, because I had to yell at Cam Hare to sing, but besides that... Guys, don't run on the boardwalk!
Ava, are you someone? Wait, are you Malibu? Do you have things?
Maybe.
Are you this?
Yeah? I don't know, Pink Pod, I don't know who the hell your teacher is, but the guy was super nice. I just had to explain how the game has been lost. And he was super understanding and respectful of the fact that the game is fricked up because of one person. Actually, no. It was a group effort. Look at this. This is what I call beauty. Guys, this is literally what it looks like. Here, wait. I wish I could flip the camera.
Flip the camera, I dare you. We go find the calves. Oh my god, they're in full form right now. Full form. Let's see that. No.
It's like he's watching or something.
Full form. Behind the scenes. Behind the scenes. Guys, I don't want my phone to show, but we're behind the scenes.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah. All come together. Pod leaders, if you have everyone in your pod, can you raise your hand so we know?
See, great pods got it.
Woo!
4 pods together, and then everything in the middle I don't really know.
Guys, I don't even know how to vlog this. I don't even know how to vlog this. Don't sass me, Nicholas. Tell Miss Cara, tell Miss Cara, please.
Okay, so unfortunately, Mr. Van Dusen had to leave us. He was a big part of Malibu planning, but who will be taking over his position is Miss Cara. So can we get a big round of Okay, now I'm gonna give the mic over to Hallie.
Brooklyn just told everyone to thank her for everything in those Hallie's game. Questionable. Andre! Nobody's perfect! You live and you learn it! Did you just fart? Hey guys, look at these nachos. These nachos are turning me on so much right now.
Yeah, that cheese. Holy crap.
I feel like Trisha Paytas doing like her 7-Eleven mukbang. Mukbang?
Mukbang, mother.
I actually smoking weed.
Oh, like e-cigarette?
No.
Yes, Quentin.
It's okay, they definitely know. It doesn't even matter. Why are they over there though? You know they're gonna get, it's easier to catch them if they're over there.
Actually, I don't think they're over there.
No, what do you mean? It's so hard to
There
catch
were
them.
people over there.
Like, they're just by the dining hall
Over
at
there.
the pool.
You want to do banana boating tomorrow?
Sure.
Okay.
No, I'm happy that you somewhat changed your ways.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
You're not a dick anymore. You never really were, but like you kind of were.
He was. This cheese is getting grosser as it gets colder.
Do you like?
I think she's cute.
Nothing against her, but like I really don't.
Really?
She's mean to you?
I've heard she's super nice.
She's nice.
But I
She wants to
haven't
get
talked-
Really
vagina.
weird.
What do you mean?
She got
Just
$10
like
from and earlier. She's like, can you buy me
It's like
ice
J-pop.
cream? And they gave her $10.
Michael,
She has a boyfriend.
do not vagina me right now. People actually throw up because of these nachos.
That's what Riley said, so probably not.
You know when someone says something happened and then you feel like it's gonna happen?
And then it happens?
No, you like Michael says people are throwing up, and now I feel like I'm gonna throw up even though I'm not gonna throw up.
We don't know that yet.
So, do like teachers walk by your guys' cabins as well?
Yeah, but everyone trusts the girls because no girls are like drug addicts this year.
Who was last year?
Oh,
my
yeah.
God,
She's
it
such
was
a hoe. I don't
so
like her.
annoying.
Guys, so I'm here.
I just
Noah,
When?
Michael. I had the biggest mom moment of my life in Malibu tonight. You wanna say something?
Ava's the best. She's my stepmom. She be getting hugs from guys. Nikolai, aka Magnet.
give a system. Jesus Christ. Everyone just watched day 1 vlog. You guys better watch it again so I get some views on YouTube.
Bro, I'm gonna like.
Of course.
Day 2 ended. It was very successful. Actually, was it successful?
I think it was very.
I wanted to kill myself half of it.
I kind of just suffer through. I have a mindset and I just do it.
Brooklyn was a microphone.
Oh yeah, I was the microphone. Don't even get me started.
Okay, guys, it was my game.
We have to be equal. Okay, I feel like this is a conversation for another time.
That is. I feel like a girl fight's gonna.
And it's probably gonna be me. I'm joking.
Okay, guys, I really don't need
Give the people what they want. Bro, I've been the MC for the winter.
Guys, girls.
I've been on Malibu.
Listen to me right now. I do not need 2 minutes of you guys arguing about something I don't give a
shit
about my vlog, okay? Let me just end the vlog in a nice, calm manner.
Attitude.
Brooklyn, you're only a legend at Fraser because all the guys want to have sex with you.
Okay, that was.
I'm just kidding. Mic drop. Are we gonna do the whole light thing again, or are you gonna make Audrey turn off your light?
Yeah, ready?
Wait. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment. Comment if you liked Hallie's
Audrey
singing.
I hate you.
Subscribe to my music.
3, 2, 1.
That was good.